Pressure and area. Let us learn this through an experiment. Take a nail and try and fix it on the wood from its blunt end with the help of a hammer. You will find it difficult to fix. Now try and fix the nail from its sharper point with the help of a hammer. It easily pierces into the wood. We get down to the conclusion that pressure is force per unit area. We get down to the conclusion that pressure is force per unit area. Pressure equals force upon area. In the first case, as the nail was blunt, larger the area of contact with the wood, so the lesser is the pressure. In the latter case, when nail was fixed with sharper point, lesser is the area of contact with the wood. Therefore, greater is the effect of pressure. Similarly, it is easier to cut an apple with a sharp knife than a blunt one.